Hey guys, what's up there? I'm GT Deepan and today we are going to unbox RHA 390 and give you a full in-depth review of it. Okay guys, let's get started. If you have not followed us on Instagram, check it out, the links are in the description. For those who did not know about RHA is a UK based independent audio manufacturing company who everybody call it as Aston Martin of earphones. Later we can justify about it in our video. Okay guys, let's get started. First of all, let's unwrap the cover. At the front portion of the box, they have given the physical overview of the product and the important features of it. At the side of the box, they have given authentication hologram and what else are included with the package. At the other side, they have given it is designed and engineered in UK. I have purchased in a headphone zone for 1899 rupees, which is a fair deal. Okay guys, let's unbox the product. First of all, the package is clean and simple. There is another box lying inside of it. If you have not followed us on Facebook, the links are in the description, please check it out. We can see one by one in detail. First of all, there is a carry pouch with the RHA logo embedded in the side of it. First of all, we get a user manual which is very tiny. If you have not followed us on Twitter, the links are in the description, please check it out guys. At next, we get a collar clip included with the package itself. It is very small, but it is very strong and sturdy. We can speak about it in the later part of our video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give it a thumbs down and comment the reason in the comment section below. It would be very helpful for us. At next, we get a silicone ear tips. Small and large size, medium size is pre-installed with the product itself. At next, we get a silica gel with it. Let's see about this carry pouch in detail. First of all, the material is soft and breathable. The main advantage of this carry pouch is its locking mechanism. When you press the knob and pull the rope, the pouch itself get locked and it is very strong. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and give it a bell icon so you can get instant notifications when we post a new video. As you can see, the locking mechanism is very tight. You can see about the main earphones one by one in detail. First, we get a 3.5mm gold plated audio jack with RHA logo included in it. The first half of the cable is braided with Kevlar fiber, and at next there is a wire splitter which is long enough so the cable may not break easily. The second half is not braided, so to avoid tangles there is a cable adjuster. And as I said, this is the collar clip which we can attach and detach. It stands very firmly. If you have any business inquiries, the email address is on description. Please contact us. And at next, there is an one button mic. The body of the mic acts as a one button, but the feel is very clicky. Let's speak about it in the later part of our video. At next, there is a main earpiece. It is made up of space grade aluminum 6063. There is two holes at the top and bottom which ensures high quality audio and noise isolation. It has a canal phone like design, which RHA call it as aerophonic design, which ensures high quality audio delivered straight to our ears. It has 130.8mm drivers. And this is the other side of the earphone. The earphone is not 45-degree angled or else. Under the down of the earphone, it is mentioned left or right. If you wear it, it stands comfortably, it does not fall easily. And as I said, this is the one button mic, one press play pass, double press forward track, triple press backward track. Okay friends, we are in the main part of our video. Now let me give my review as an average consumer. First of all, we can see the highlights. It has 130.8mm drivers. It is made up of space grade aluminum 6063 and it has a 3.5mm gold plated audio jack. The first half of the cable is braided, the second half is not braided, and there is a collar clip and cable adjuster included with it. The earpieces of earphones are very small as mentioned in the product page itself. The main advantage of these earphones are it has 3 years international warranty. You don't have to worry about warranty claiming procedures as RHA is a UK brand. It has its Indian official website too. You can claim your on-site warranty there itself. And now let's speak about its audio quality. First of all, the lows, mids and highs 3 are equally balanced. It has warm sound signature. If you are a beginner audiophile and looks for a crystal clear balanced audio, I would recommend it. Close your eyes and go for it. But you are a bass lover and who needs empowered bass, I would not recommend it. You wouldn't need to spend this much money for bass. You can under 500 you can go for Realme Buds 2, and under 1000 you can go for JBL T210, and under 1500 to 2000 you can go to Sony XB55AP. You would not consider it because it does not give overpowering bass. It gives mild bass which can be enjoyed by all users without dominating vocals and instrument playing. And now about the mic quality. The mic quality is surprisingly awesome. The person from the other end can hear me clearly, and it has noise cancellation feature also enabled. The one button mic is very clicky, and that's it guys. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up. If you unliked our video, give it a thumbs down, and comment your feedbacks in the comment section below. Your comments are very valuable for us. Okay guys, let's meet in a new awesome video. Until then, I am JT Dipan signing off here. Cheers.